It's a linear DNA which has its 5 prime phosphoryl group, which is linked to the enzyme via a phosphotyrosine diester linkage. And this is formed due to a covalent enzyme and DNA intermediate where the free energy, तो यहाँ पर जो energy है which is cleaved, the phosphodiester bond is preserved, and that is the basic for there is no need to have the gap filling or resealing the nick, and that is the reason where the energy is not going to be required for resealing the DNA strand in this mechanism. Now we'll see the next type 1 का mechanism तो हमने देख लिया. Now we'll move to the next type 1B. Topoisomerase functions via a controlled rotation mechanism. तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो the binding of the topoisomerase which is in black color and which is going to break a single stranded DNA and then the pass and join, whereas in lower diagram we can see the topoisomerase is bind to the double stranded DNA molecule. It create a single stranded break and now it is going to be have the rotation in this direction. तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन जो ब्लू स्ट्रैंड आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, इट इज गोइंग टू रोटेट एंड अगेन आफ्टर रोटेशन it is going to be joined to the strand, and hence this is called as a rotation mechanism of topoisomerase 1b. In this diagram also we can see the first step is a binding of this topoisomerase and where it is bind with the non-covalent reaction. In the next step a cleavage occurs in between the DNA single stranded molecule, and after that here in the D diagram we can see the rotation occurs in the cut strand or nicked strand or breakdown single stranded molecule, and after the rotation the next G diagram में आप देख सकते हो that occurs the religation and release of that particular strand. So religation means जो nick rotation होने के बाद जो nick बची थी उसको religate करना, and after the religation the strand and the enzyme is going to be released. So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो that is going to be released, and this is called as the type 1B rotation mechanism of topoisomerase enzyme. ठीक है? Are you understanding? Any doubt in this diagram or 1B mechanism? Any doubt?
सर थोड़ा हळू घ्या ना प्लीज.
Okay.
एक बार वापस
फिर से एक बार पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? तो in first step of this topoisomerase 1B बाइंडिंग ऑकर्स. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? बाइंडिंग ऑफ टोपोइसोमरेज 1b टू द डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल. ठीक है नाउ, ठीक है, मैं आपको क्या करता हूँ अभी डायग्राम खुद निकाल लेता हूं ताकि आपको समझ सके. आफ्टर ऑल यू नो माय ब्यूटीफुल ड्राइंग्स. वेट अ मिनट, पहले इसको कट करना है, देन आई विल पुट. So let's say in the first step the binding of this double stranded DNA. So मान लीजिए कि कुछ डबल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए था. To this topoisomerase 1 is going to be bind. So जो येलो कलर में आपको अभी दिखाई दे रहा है that is the enzyme which is bind to this molecule. ठीक है? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is called as binding. Right? After the binding of topoisomerase 1b, it create a nick. तो मान लीजिए कि भाई यहाँ पर उसने निक लगाई एक सिंगल स्ट्रैंड में, and after that Nick, the covalent interaction will occur in between DNA and this one, and due to that the single stranded molecule जो रेड कलर में था, now it is going to be like this one. तो ये हो गया निक एंड आगे का है जो as it is present होगा, right, in this manner, whereas this enzyme is present as it is there. ठीक है. Now after that the rotation occurs in this nicked strand. So यहाँ पर है वो इस डायरेक्शन में रोटेशन होगा. क्लियर. द निक्ड स्टैंड के बाद वहां पर रोटेशन आ जाएगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट रोटेशन इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप रीसेलिंग, तो यहाँ पर फिर से वो सील हो जाएगा. विच स्टैंड विच इज ब्रेकन डाउन. ऑब्वियसली दिस इज topoisomerase 1, hence it will be going to create a cut into a single stranded DNA molecule. 1b है, इसलिए वहां पर मैकेनिज्म क्या है, the rotation, controlled rotation mechanism is there in 1b, and after rotation the reselling of that particular DNA strand is there, and after reselling of that DNA molecule it will have, now in this diagram we can see it is going to be have reselling, and after the reselling it will release a double stranded DNA molecule and the topoisomerase enzyme 1b. तो यहाँ से वो दोनों रिलीज हो जाएंगे. So in this diagram we can see both are now separated. So in this way the topoisomerase 1b have a controlled rotation mechanism for its action. Now you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
वही जो मैंने डायग्रामेटिक प्रेजेंटेशन में बताया था यही यहाँ पर मेंशन हुए, जो आप देख सकते हो. बाइंडिंग, क्लीवेज, एंड देन क्लीवेज होने के बाद रोटेशन, एंड आफ्टर रोटेशन religation of that single stranded DNA molecule, and then the release of the DNA molecule and enzyme. So that is the mentioned in these steps. So now it is clear. Topoisomerase 1b mechanism, which is called as controlled rotation mechanism. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see topoisomerase 1. आगे बढ़ते हैं. होप सो कि 1b के मैकेनिज्म आपके समझ में आई है. So topoisomerase 1 is going to relax the DNA supercoils. How? By giving a permission for the cleaved duplex DNA to again loosely held downstream. These segments which are going to rotate related to the tightly held upstream segment. So that is the mechanism of topoisomerase 1, which is going to permit the supercoiling for the cleavage strand. And now this rotation can only occurs about the sugar phosphate bond. As we know that the sugar and phosphate, तो 3 prime end पर जो phosphate, sorry 5 prime end पर जो phosphate है of presently nucleotide, and upcoming का जो 3 prime 1 का जो sugar phosphate bond है, वहां पर जो sugar phosphate bond है in that uncleaved strand of alpha, beta, epsilon and zeta, which are opposite the cleavage site, because the cleavage frees these bonds to rotate. So these bonds are going to be rotate, and hence in the rotation mechanism they are all involved. So this is the end of topoisomerase 1. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see the topoisomerase 2. Now we are learning the type 2 topoisomerases, and make these differences in your notebook also, type 2A and type 2B, because we learned in previous slides topoisomerase 2 are also having two subclasses as type 2A and type 2B. Did you mention in the columns in your notebook? Can we go forward? कॉलम बनाए हैं आपने?
No, sir.
हाँ, तो make two columns for having a difference between subclass of type 2 topoisomerase as type 2A in one column and in second column type 2B. So this slide is having all the differences between the two enzymes of type 2A and type 2B mechanism, right? So if you made the differences, you can go ahead for having the point-wise mechanism. And now I want to show you some animation which shows the action of enzyme topoisomerase. So first point we will mention in the difference. Is it visible? Slides are visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So bacteria, the presence of type 2A is present in bacteria, whereas type 2B enzymes are present only in the one member which is occurring in the Archaebacteria. So that is presence of this enzyme only in the Archaebacteria. Right? Now we can see in second difference